Hello. So this is the last week of December, minus a day, or there's an extra day which you'll see next week. But so it is Christmas, and it is so much baking, you guys. We had a mega baking fail, which is totally fine. It happens, but it was sad when it happened. There were some good baking successes. There's lots of family, lots of game playing. All in all, I would say a very happy, cozy Christmas time spirit. So that's really nice. So enjoy. These are my royal icing flowers that are just sort of drying out. They're mostly dry, which means that you can pick them up. So I'm going to make some cookies for New Year's Eve, and these are going to go on top of them. How are your peaks doing there, Steve?
I think this is stiff peak.
Let me see. That looks like a soft peak to me, but I could be wrong. Let's see. Maybe it's a stiff peak. Because, of course, it's egg whites and not whipped cream. What are you doing now?
I'm folding in flour and nuts.
And the egg whites, too?
Yep. After it's all together, then I'll fold in the rest of the egg whites.
Cool.
What's up?
What are you doing now?
I'm folding in the rest of my egg whites.
Oh, yeah. Those are so fluffy.
Stiff peaks, baby. All right. Oh, I didn't flour
Did you flour the towel enough? Is it okay?
Flour the towel enough.
Ooh. Oh,
Fudge!
no. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a little baby crack. It'll be fine.
I'm not going to be able to peel it off this. Oh, there's multiple presents in here.
Looks like a toaster.
I don't know.
You have to open it.
To Russell and Julie. You're recording me?
You're so cute.
A bolo.
What's that?
Oh, cool. Highball ice molds.
Oh, it's a warm, really great ice cube.
Yeah, that's awesome.
When have you ever had a highball in your whole life?
Never, but, oh, check that out.
Aww. Is there no E on that, Julie?
It's the effort, babe.
Okay.
It's the effort that counts.
These are the books that I got for Christmas. It's a lot of mysteries, which I'm really excited about. They look good. I love the book art, the cover art on this one. That's awesome. And actually, I think this is super cool cover art too. Art is everywhere. is 1 o'clock in the morning, but I think I have finally finished. To the house today to check up on how it's going, and what was there, Steve?
A brand new poured floor.
Yes, they poured the basement floor, which is super exciting. Of course, it's really rainy today, so I don't know how the drying part is going, but it was exciting. Quite a day. Went to a wake of a family friend, and then my brother and his girlfriend are still in town, so I'm meeting up with them for dinner, and I made a bajillion cookies. Just lots and lots of randomness. Scanning Cup videos today, and there's nothing that's clean in my house, so I've hung a piece of fabric behind me. I don't know if you can see this. It's clipped onto a lamp and clipped onto a pole so that I can try to have some semblance of a backdrop. One of the things I'm really excited about is hopefully in the new house I'll have some clean space, so you're not always looking at the great giant mess. So I spent the last few hours cleaning. I threw away boxes and boxes of stuff, and my studio is still full of stuff, but it's getting there. Clean table. So I think I've said this before. Steve and I live in a 3-bedroom apartment, and 2 of the bedrooms are my studio, which is very nice. But it's also because that's how I pay my rent. So, they take up the most amount of space. But so that was the dry studio before, which is where I do like quilting, scrapbooking, things that don't involve paint. However, I'm in my wet studio now, and it's a hot mess. Ay. So this is the state of things in here, so that really needs to get cleaned up, but it's like the floor, every surface is just piled up, so time to clean. Just use this twine to do a little bit of skeleton repair. The joint had come apart, so I've restrung it, put some glue on the ends. I'm just waiting for it to dry, but now my skeleton is repaired. So Steve and I are headed to my mom's to watch the Patriots game. I stayed up until 2:30 a.m. cleaning out the studios. Didn't quite finish, but then I slept until noon. So getting a late start on the day. Steve and I went to 4 grocery stores today in preparation for our little New Year's party, which is such a small party. There's only going to be 5 of us total, and yet 4 grocery stores, so it's real. So one of Steve's Christmas gifts was an ice cube maker that made giant ice cubes. That was from his sister. So this is your first time trying it out. How do you feel about it?
I don't like it.
Why?
It touches my nose.
It touches your nose? Let's see. Oh, that is an awkward problem. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment or a like or something like that.